Hi, good afternoon. My name is Sayuri Ramos Tejadas. I want to explain my postcard Redeeming Chris. Hi mom, I am in the Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I'm dressed in my favorite blouse, my black jeans, and the white sneaker my dad gave me. I getting to know the biggest stage in the world, the Redeeming Chris, catalogued as one of the seven modern murders of the world. I tell you, that is majestic, a unique experience. I feel very happy and blessed. It's actually the most tremendous thing I had experienced. Although to get there, you had to climb a great mountain. When you arrived there, I feel it was worth the sacrifice of climb. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.